It's been a mostly cloudy start of the work week, with the cold front also bringing in light rain over the southern part of South Africa. We've seen most of the thunderstorm activity occurring over KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga in the afternoon, with those larger thunderstorms very possibly bringing in hail, and that's represented by the shade of yellow and orange over parts of KZN and Mpumalanga. Now, the cold front and ridging high bring in cloudy and wet weather over the eastern part of South Africa through to Tuesday. We can still expect some moisture over the southern part of the country, with isolated thundershowers over the northeastern parts, sunny as we head into the Northern Cape, with things starting to warm up over the western parts. It'll be a cool day by KwaZulu-Natal standards on Tuesday, with maximums in the low and middle 20s, cloudy and wet along the coast as well as into Pietermaritzburg, where we can expect a high of 23 degrees. It'll be a cool Tuesday for the Eastern Cape, with maximums in the upper teens and low 20s, 18 for Bishu, Adelaide and Umtata, with cloudy and wet weather in the forecast for East London at 22. Morning light rain and drizzle starts off the day over the southern part of South Africa, with maximums in the low 20s, Bredasdorp with the possibility of morning drizzle at 23 degrees, and a partly cloudy and hot day for Cape Town just shy of 30. Mostly sunny at 34 as we head into Vredendal, with fine and dry weather expected throughout the Northern Cape, Uppington at 37, with Passersburg and Prieska in the mid-30s, and a predominantly dry day for the Free State, except over the far eastern parts where we can expect isolated thundershowers for Bethlehem and Harrismith, both in the mid-20s. Thundershowers are forecast mainly over the northern and eastern part of the northwest, 33 degrees as we head into Zeerust and Rustenburg. Isolated thundershowers are expected for the majority of Limpopo. However, things remain dry for Messina at 37 degrees. 25 for Bombela with a possibility of rainfall. We're expecting a warm day for the Mpumalanga Highveld, but cooler for Ermelo at 22. Thundershowers are expected there. And in Gauteng, warm to hot weather is forecast on Tuesday. 28 degrees for Johannesburg, 31 for Pretoria, with isolated afternoon and evening thundershowers. On Wednesday, thundershowers are expected over the eastern half of South Africa, with the possibility of rain along the coast. Things remain dry in the west all the way through to Thursday, with some light rain and drizzle moving in along the southern and southeastern coastline, with thundershowers expected over the eastern parts and a cooler forecast on Thursday. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your week.